Our planet is a remarkable place. It's, a world of breathtaking beauty and incredible diversity. For centuries, we've relied on its hidden treasures. We've burned ancient sunlight, trapped deep within the earth as coal and oil. This has powered our cities and our lives. But honestly, this has come at a great cost. The balance of our world is now in peril. The air is changing. The seas are warming. We stand at a crossroads, a critical moment in the history of our species and the planet we call home. We must now look for new ways to power our future, ways that work with nature, not against it. The challenge before us is immense, but it's one we can meet. Humans are intelligent and resourceful creatures. We have the ability to solve the most complex problems. The answer, it seems, is all around us. It's in the very fabric of the universe. It's in the power hidden inside the tiniest of atoms. It's in the constant, invisible movement of the air. It's in the life-giving warmth of our closest star, the sun. These forces are immense, and they offer us a chance for a cleaner, healthier world. A world where our progress does not harm the delicate web of life. This journey towards a sustainable future is not just about technology. It's about a change in our perspective. It requires us to see the world differently. We must understand that we are a part of nature, not separate from it. The energy we use connects us directly to the planet's systems. By choosing cleaner energy, we choose to protect the magnificent creatures and fragile ecosystems that share our world. It is a promise we make to future generations, a promise to leave them a planet that is just as wonderful and vibrant as the one we inherited. A world full of life and wonder. The path forward is lit by innovation. We are learning to harness these incredible natural forces with amazing skill. We're building machines that can capture the wind's energy. We're creating panels that can drink in the sunlight. We're finding safer ways to unlock the power of the atom. This is the dawn of a new age. An age powered not by what we dig from the ground, but by the everlasting forces of the planet itself. It is a future filled with hope, a future where humanity and nature can thrive together in harmony. This is our greatest adventure yet. Deep inside the smallest particles of matter, there is an extraordinary power. This is the power of the atom. For many years, we have known how to unlock this energy. Nuclear power plants have provided vast amounts of electricity without releasing harmful gases into the atmosphere. A single tiny pellet of uranium fuel can produce as much energy as a great deal of coal. This incredible efficiency means we can generate enormous power from a very small amount of material. It is a testament to our ability to understand the fundamental laws of the universe and use them to our advantage. Of course, this great power comes with great responsibility. In the past, there have been accidents that have made people fearful, but science does not stand still. Today, the world of nuclear energy is changing. Engineers are designing new kinds of reactors. These are much safer than their predecessors. They have clever systems that can shut down automatically if something goes wrong. Some new designs can even use old nuclear waste as fuel, helping to solve a long-standing problem. This continuous search for safety and improvement is truly remarkable. The land required for a nuclear power station is surprisingly small. Compared to other energy sources, its physical footprint is tiny. This means that more land can be left for nature. Forests can remain standing. Wild habitats can be preserved. Nuclear power can work day and night in any weather. It does not depend on whether the sun is shining or the wind is blowing. This makes it a very reliable partner for other clean energy sources. It provides a constant, steady stream of power that our modern world needs to function. As we look to the future, we see a new generation of nuclear technology. Scientists are working on fusion energy. This is the same process that powers our sun. It promises to create even more energy with very little radioactive waste. While this technology is still developing, it shows the incredible potential that lies ahead. The power within the atom, when managed with wisdom and care, can be a vital part of our clean energy future. It offers a steady, powerful, and clean source of energy to help us protect our precious planet. Across the globe, the air is almost always moving. This movement, the wind, is a form of solar energy. It's caused by the sun heating our planet unevenly. For thousands of years, we've used this power. We've used it to sail our ships and to grind our grain. Today, we've learned to capture it on a much grander scale. We build magnificent structures, wind turbines that stand tall on hills and out at sea. Their long blades spin gracefully in the breeze, turning the invisible power of the wind into clean electricity for our homes and cities. These wind farms are becoming a more common sight. The technology has improved dramatically. The turbines are now larger, quieter, and much more efficient than before. They can generate power even in light winds. And when they're placed out at sea in offshore wind farms, they can capture stronger, more consistent winds. This provides a reliable and powerful source of energy. As the blades turn, they do not burn any fuel. They do not release any greenhouse gases. They simply borrow the energy of the wind for a moment as it passes by. The growth of wind energy around the world is truly astonishing. Many countries are now generating a significant portion of their electricity from the wind. This reduces their reliance on fossil fuels. It helps to clean the air in our cities and slow down the warming of our climate. The cost of building wind turbines has also fallen a great deal. This makes wind power one of the cheapest forms of new electricity available today. It's a clean energy source that makes economic sense, helping both our planet and our pockets. The land around wind turbines can still be used for other purposes. Farmers can grow crops or graze animals right up to the base of these gentle giants. When a wind farm reaches the end of its life, the turbines can be removed and the land can be returned to its natural state. This makes it a temporary and reversible use of the land. The constant whisper of the wind is a reminder of the planet's natural power. By harnessing it, we are taking a significant step towards a sustainable world, powered by the clean, endless currents of the air. Every single day, our planet is bathed in an enormous amount of energy. It arrives in the form of sunlight. This energy from our star is what makes life on Earth possible. It warms our world and helps plants to grow. Now, we've found a direct way to capture this energy. We use solar panels. These remarkable devices are made of special materials that can turn sunlight directly into electricity. It's a quiet, clean, and elegant process. It's like photosynthesis, but for our homes and our machines. It's a truly wonderful technology. One of the greatest things about solar power is that it can be used almost anywhere. You don't need a giant power station. Solar panels can be placed on the roofs of our houses. They can be installed in remote villages, bringing electricity to people for the very first time. They can cover car parks or float on reservoirs. This makes energy accessible to everyone. It gives individuals and communities the power to generate their own clean electricity. The sun shines on us all, and solar power allows us to share in its gift of energy. In recent years, the cost of solar panels has fallen faster than anyone predicted. They've become cheaper and cheaper to make. At the same time, they've become much better at turning sunlight into electricity. This combination of lower cost and higher efficiency has made solar power a leading source of new energy around the world. In many places, building a new solar farm is now cheaper than continuing to run an old coal or gas plant. This economic shift is helping to speed up our transition to a cleaner future. Scientists are constantly working on new and better solar technologies. They're creating panels that are flexible, transparent, or even able to generate power from indoor light. We're also getting better at storing solar energy. New batteries allow us to save the electricity generated during the day so we can use it at night. Together, nuclear, wind, and solar energy form a powerful team. They offer a future where our lights stay on, our planet stays healthy, and the wonders of the natural world are preserved for all the generations that are yet to come. It is a future we can and must build together.